Hello, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Alla Reutberg of Reutberg, Traum Law, and Mediation PC. So, Alla, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be joining you.
Great. So tell us, what is Reutberg, Traum Law, and Mediation PC, and what's your role in the firm?
So I'm the founding partner of the firm. I started it in 1996, 27 years ago. We're a mother-daughter firm, a family that provides help to families, and we provide legal services in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut, and mediation services nationally and internationally.
Great. So now, Ali, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often need your services?
I can think of a few scenarios. So one, if you are stuck on a case or an issue and you need help resolving it in a problem-solving and amicable way. Two, when your clients want to get out of the long court process that they're stuck in. Three, when your retainers have run out and they need a cost-effective way to finalize their divorce. When there's a cross-cultural issue that needs a particular sensitivity in addressing, because this is one of the specialties that our firm offers. And in general, when clients want to stay out of court, away from fighting, and want to resolve problems in such a way that they can remain effective and friendly partners in raising their kids post-divorce.
So important. So, what are the challenges that you face in your area of work?
So I am a mediator. In addition to my private practice, I'm also on 13 different court panels throughout New York State. And I see a couple of issues. The main one is that cases are sent to me for mediation very late in the process. When you have hostility and pain are through the roof, and we have to spend a lot of time unwinding all the pain before I can really start helping the parties move forward in a productive way towards a global resolution. And the other one is where they come in and they say, we didn't know mediation existed. What is mediation? So there they are, they're spending, unnecessarily years in a toxic and costly process, only end up with the same kind of settlement that they could have negotiated through mediation in the first place.
Sure. So, Alla, what's the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
So they can always, and you can always call the office, but the reality is I'm in and out of meetings all the time. So the best time to contact me directly, most effectively, is either email or text my cell phone, which I freely give to everyone, and it's published on my website.
Great. So now, Alla Reutberg, we have now come to the most important part of our show, and that happens to be the question of the week. So, Alla Reutberg, this is your question of the week. You've been given access to a time machine with the ability to either go back to your teen years or your 20s. Which would you choose and why?
I think I would choose the teens.
Oh.
And the reason I would choose the teens is because, I was born in Odessa, Ukraine.
Okay.
And I grew up in St. Petersburg, Russia.
Hmm.
And came to the United States when I was 14 years old as a Soviet Jewish refugee with my parents, my grandmother, and 4 suitcases. And, we had nothing, but we were very happy and optimistic about the unknown and the dream of living in America and being free. So I often think of that time, and whenever I have any challenges, it gives me perspective on what is the most essential thing in life. So I think I would love to get the chance in my time machine and go back to those years, to visit those years.
I gotta tell you, I love that answer. And Ala Roitberg, you have said it all. You are helping people resolve their disputes one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you for having me.